Magic drink: clean liver, lungs, cough, flu, treat heart, lose weight. Cardamom, star anise, turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, lime, honey, peel the ginger skin until clean. Ginger contains shogaols, which are powerful in fighting the viruses that cause colds. The content of vitamins and minerals can reduce flu symptoms, especially vitamin C. Peel turmeric skin until clean. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, so it can help treat colds. Grate or grind ginger. Drink ginger tea or ginger drink twice a day to fight colds and relieve colds. Grate or grind the turmeric. Turmeric is considered capable of reducing the risk of damage to cells in the body while preventing cell mutations into cancer. Put all the ingredients into the glass. Add hot water, 200 milliliters. Cover and leave for 15 minutes. Strain the mixture until it is separated from the dregs. Add lime juice. Lime contains vitamin C. Lime juice can help relieve colds. Add honey, 1 tablespoon. Honey can help overcome health problems, such as coughs and flu. Stir until mixed evenly.